Hello, Inland Empire. Jake Poor here, Director of Communication at Growing Inland Achievement. Today, I wanted to share with you a website that our network of partners developed that is meant to support Inland Empire students in their college journey. Whether that's a high school student who's looking to get information and apply to an Inland Empire college or university, or an existing college student who may need some resources or advice about the next steps in their post-secondary education. The website is IEstudents.org. That's IEstudents.org. We originally built this website in response to the pandemic last year, as the Inland Empire Educational Network was quickly mobilizing and finding ways to support the class of 2020 as they transitioned from high school to college. But after getting thousands of visitors in the days and months after the website launch, we realized that there was a need in the Inland Empire for a site like this, not just to help students navigate their college transition amid COVID-19, but for the months and the years following. Let me take you on a quick tour. On the homepage, you'll see the site focuses on 5 key areas of support. The first is student success advising. By clicking on the Student Success Advising tab, students will have the opportunity to connect with an advisor from one of our trusted network partners. A student can select the county and city where they live, and then be matched with an organization who has a dedicated staff of advisors in that service area who are available to offer support, advice, and the resources that a student may need. The College Resources tab is meant to help students access college resources, such as planning tools, financial assistance information, and a list of Inland Empire colleges. The Food Assistance tab is meant to support students who may need basic needs assistance while in school. After launching the site, we learned from our website analytics that this was one of the most visited sections of the website, and that confirmed to us how important it is to maintain this information. A list of Inland Empire programs and services can be found on this page. We know the pandemic has unfortunately triggered and exacerbated mental health conditions for many individuals, and the 4th tab, Mental Health Resources, is meant to show students how to connect with services in the Inland Empire, should they need support. And last but not least is the Distance Learning Resources tab, which offers virtual learning and time management tools and tutorials. Thank you for taking a moment to check out IEstudents.org. This website would not be possible without the contributions of a wide range of regional and statewide partners, and we thank everyone involved for their support. In closing, I would like to add that our hope at GIA is to continuously improve this site in the coming months and years, to add content and information that will be valuable for students in the Inland Empire. And with that in mind, we can't do that without you, our network of partners who work with students every day and know and understand their unique challenges and needs. So if you would like to be a part of a working group that helps to manage and develop the content of this website, please let me know. Send me an email directly at jake@inlandempiregia.org. That's jake@inlandempiregia.org. Thank you again for your time and partnership as we work to grow inland achievement together.